Welcome back to the channel, guys, and of course to the F-150. Today we have a new mod. Well, it's not really new. I've had this thing sitting around for like 2 months now. We're gonna get a chance to install the thing. Anywho, this new mod, guys, is perfect for you low trim levels F-150s out there like mine. This is the XL. It's the 3.3 liter V6, literally the fleet truck version of the F-150 line. But anyways, guys, this next mod I think is great to spruce up your F-150 in terms of features, because we all know that's what this thing lacks. So as I said, guys, I've had this mod sitting in my truck, not installed, just sitting in it for the past 2 months now. You can tell that I'm been pretty busy, but here it is, guys. Look at this sucker. This right here is actually remote STARTX. There you go, STARTX. Now this thing literally plugs in to your OBD2 plug port. STARTX remote starter kit. So as the name implies, guys, this thing is a remote start for your F-150. I picked this up off of Amazon for around $120. But remember, this was 2 months ago, and I recently just checked right now, and it's actually at $132. I'll leave the link for this sucker down below. Essentially, what this is a remote start for your F-150. Now, this works for keyless entry as well as those who have the key, which is perfect for me. So in the package, you do get the plug port, and you also get their set of instructions, which basically gives you the general info. You know, lock, unlock, lock to turn the vehicle on. You have pictures on how to install the sucker and a little bit troubleshooting problems. That's about it, guys. Let's go ahead and get this truck a remote start. Finally. Okay, let's go ahead and dig underneath here and look for that OBD2 port. Oh, look at that. Now, instructions tell us to locate OBD2, plug in the module into the port, turn on the ignition, LED will flash green, your module is programmed. So you'll see the green light isn't quite on, and that's normal because the ignition hasn't been turned on. But once it turns green, that means the truck has been programmed with the STARTX remote start. Let's try it out. Go ahead and put the key in here, put it in the on position, turn that off. I said turn that off. Alright, so I went to go grab gas because it is one of the reasons why this remote start wouldn't function, so maybe that's the reason why it's not working, but let's go ahead and try it out. Lock, unlock, lock. Okay, we'll try that again. Vehicle's off, removing the key, and we're stepping out. Keys right here. Lock, unlock, lock. Might not work. Yeah, no, it's not gonna work because my lights. That's gonna interfere. Okay, now that the lights are turned off, let's try again. Lock, unlock, lock. Let's try this again. Lock, unlock, lock. Alright, folks, I think that first attempt was a fluke. We're going to go ahead and try it one more time. Lock, unlock, lock. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, you'll see my hazards are flashing. I guess that's normal. We do have climate control on. So this is actually perfect. That's awesome, guys. We can actually warm up the truck in colder weather. We'll do, recognizes the key. We'll go ahead and turn once. And one more time. We're operational. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Now, I'm not sure why it's not working when I'm out there. Yeah, you see, it won't let me do that last. So it'll lock and unlock, but again, these damn lights are interfering. Once they're on, the key fob doesn't want to communicate with the vehicle. I'll show you guys what I mean. So you'll hear the lock, and then you'll hear the unlock, but you won't hear that third lock. Lock, unlock. See? Doesn't want to... Alright, okay. Let's do this again. Lock, unlock, lock. Now it's gonna work. Yep, look at that. The key needs to be in the vehicle, I think. What's the point of having a remote start inside of the truck? It needs to be able to be outside. It's that last lock. If it was 2 buttons to turn it on, this thing would be perfect. But that third time to press the locking button is throwing me off, guys. I don't know why it doesn't want to work out here, but inside the truck, flawless. There you go. Works fine when we're inside of the truck. How cool is that, guys? Having remote start only when you're inside of the truck. Fantastic. The remote start has been installed and programmed the vehicle, but it only works when I'm inside the truck. So lock, unlock, lock. Okay, it may not work at all, actually. Let's do it again. Oh, look at that. Look at that, folks. Okay, climate control is probably going to turn on now. There we go. To drive, turn key to on. Alright, so we are not supposed to crank it. Go ahead and slip this in here. We'll go 1. We'll go 1 more. There we go. Alright guys, so I ended up doing a bit more research on this whole key fob issue, and it turns out that aftermarket LEDs can potentially affect your key fob from communicating with the truck. LEDs emit a frequency, which I didn't even know that, but aftermarket LEDs can emit enough frequencies to block the transmitter from communicating with the receiver on the truck. Hence, whenever the lights on this truck turns on, the key fob is dead. None of the buttons work. I think that's the issue. I'm pretty sure that's the issue, actually. The way I can confirm this is after I installed that LED grill on the truck, my key fob stopped working. Same issue happened as soon as those LED lights on the grill turned on. Whenever I unlocked the truck, the key fob would not communicate with the truck. So I don't want to leave the video off with a product that only half works for me. I know the product works. I know STARTX remote start is not the issue, guys. It is me and the truck. It's my fault, mainly. I added all those LEDs, guys. My grills are LEDs, my headlights are LEDs, my taillights are also LEDs. All of that stuff has apparently affected the key fob transmitter and receiver, which I did not anticipate. It's not my fault. Wait, no, it is my fault. Remote StartX, good product. If you don't have any LEDs, if you're not dumb and affect your truck's functionality, then get this product. You low-level trims are gonna enjoy the hell out of it, especially if you live in colder temperatures. Now, with that said, guys, if you do have LEDs on your truck, and you have products that I have on my truck that I showed to you from videos, 1, I apologize. 2, I'm definitely going to find a solution for this, and I think I'm on the tail of something here, guys. With the help of ForeScan, it's a software, essentially enabling you to tap into the computer of your F-150, or Fords really, and you're able to turn features on and off, as well as adding other features to the vehicle and programming them in there. And there's one program called, I think, silent mode or blackout mode. But essentially what it does is none of your lights turn on, your perimeter lighting is off, everything is blacked out when you hit the unlock button on your key fob. You probably already know this, but as soon as you do hit the unlock button, all of your lights turn on, especially for me. I have my parking brake lights, the LED plank lights turn on, bed lights turn on, everything is on, guys. And that's called perimeter lighting. So the theory is that with the blackout mode, none of the lights will come on as soon as you hit the unlock button, essentially continuing the communication between key fob to vehicle without the LEDs blocking or in the way of things. Now that is just a theory. Haven't tested it out, and looks like nobody really does it online from what I've seen. The other thing, guys, is this key fob might just be busted, guys. That could be the other problem. I unfortunately lost my second key to my truck, and it sucks they only give you 2 sets. You should be given 3. My Subaru came with 3. Truck only got 2. Lost 1. Down to this one. Now there's a slight chance that the key fob could be malfunctioning. Could be an issue with that. But I don't think so, guys. I'm pretty sure it's just the LEDs. That could be one of your troubleshooting options, guys. Anywho, I hope you guys are understanding of this. The product works. I know for a fact that it works. Just my truck has some sort of iffy things about it. I'm gonna continue on the search, guys. This kind of leads me into a transition on my next video, which is basically forescan. Now, that video would come out a lot sooner if they had it for Mac, but they don't. They only have it for Windows. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys. STARTX Remote Start. I will leave a link down below. Great little product for you guys out there with the lower end trims. You don't have that remote key start or anything like that. Now you do, assuming you don't have LEDs. Anywho, guys, I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace, take care.